Fire, 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 fire.
Now we soon beat someone's child. I will soon beat someone's child.
Ned, are you sure I can do this work?
Oga, look at my face. I can do this job, Oga.
You know the peace for here. Oga, see this girl. I sure you should get this girl.
Oga, make her start work immediately.
Immediately, ASAP. Can't get this girl also.
Oh shit.
I said you should hold this girl immediately.
Just calm down.
Ned, I said you should take her to my office. Ned, I said you should hold this girl.
No, I said they the peace for here.
Ned, are you okay? Are you mad?
Oga. Hey, Oga, now you.
You are fired. You are fired. Lam.
Oga. Oh, devil, you're a liar.
Ned, you are fired.
Guy, I'm tired of all this life. Guy, I want to get married. I want to marry.
How far, bros? I'll be virgin.
Oh, you be virgin?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, in a shower I won't marry. I don't want marry virgin.
Camera, you're a big boy. Let me see now. Three camera. Big boy with three camera. Hey.
Baby! No! Room service! My phone is gone! First time of my lodging in hotel. I say make I just enjoy like other guys. My phone just gone. No!
Hey, boy, now I'm Hey!
Chidadi.
You like this scene? Now your Toto picture. That's the way they knock you for that hotel. No, sir, I said come here, I snap you.
No, please. Please don't.
Oh, my leg is like the boat, you. Oh, my leg. Won't you give me a peg here?
I should give you a peg.
Give me a peg. So the boat, you peg me here. So the boat, I need 20K.
Take.
I need my post them.
No, don't post.
I go post them.
Don't post.
So the boat, they need the way you know service me where I go post them.
Don't worry, I will.
I'm angry. Fine girl. Why are you crying?
I lost my money.
You lost your money? How much is the money?
50,000.
50K.
Yes, for my school fees.
You are crying because of 50K.
Jesus.
Let's go to my place now.
Fancy virgin.
Jesus.
Ginger.
Now why will they call am God? Now why?